this Tech Talk, I'm speaking with Nico Ressler, pretzel and snack equipment sales manager for Reading Bakery Systems. And we are talking about sustainability and the benefits that come with Reading Bakery Systems oven designs. Hi, Nico. It's nice to see you again.
Hi, Joni. Yeah, thanks for having me again.
So this is a really big topic, sustainability, and it's on the radar of pretty much every baker. And one reason why it's so important is because by definition, sustainability concerns the future. And when bakers purchase equipment, they do that with the expectation that it's going to last decades. So how are you seeing these concerns manifest in baking techniques for your customers? And then with that, how is it impacting Reading Bakery Systems equipment design?
Yeah, so this is a huge topic. We talk with customers about this every week. We have to take a step back, right? So the big picture is customers ultimately want to reduce harmful emissions in the future, save on costs, and simplify operations and efficiency in operations. So all of this is playing a role. So when we look at how we're designing our equipment, we're looking to help customers meet each of those three items. For us, when we think about the oven systems in bakeries and in snack manufacturing facilities, everything comes down to the oven, and one of the most complicated processes is for crackers. Crackers require high intensity heat. They require traditionally direct gas-fired ovens, which use ribbon burners all down the length of the oven or in large sections of an oven. So cracker ovens can be 300 feet long, and so that requires, as you can imagine, a lot of ribbon burners. With that comes a lot of natural gas usage,
Right.
A lot of complexity in operations and maintenance, a lot of control points where you have opportunity for human error. So to simplify things, you ultimately want to reduce those opportunities for human error. So what Reading Bakery Systems has come up with as an alternative is what we're calling our Thomas L. Green HE emethermic oven. So we're taking technology that we know works and is more simple, which is our convection style ovens, and we're applying that to turn that heat into high radiant energy heat. So we're using electric radiant burners throughout the oven instead of DGF direct gas. We're using high emissivity thermotech panels, which gives the oven its name, the emethermic oven. So those panels use the heat from the penthouse and the convection air to heat these high emissivity thermotech panels that distribute heat more evenly across the belt inside the oven. So you're getting an even bake across the belt without using as much gas. And then it applies the same bake profile that you would expect with gas as well. So you're going to be able to control humidity profiles in that oven chamber. We have a couple different ways to do that. So you're not losing anything in the process, but instead you're gaining that simplicity in operation and reduced cost.
Right, so I feel like a common maybe reservation with thinking about sustainability in an oven purchase is the impact on the bake. So this is really interesting that RBS has sort of looked at it from every angle. So they're not sacrificing the efficiency of the bake or the quality of the bake, but can still reduce those emissions and save energy. So Nico, sustainability is not just future focused. It's also a critical issue globally, and RBS is on top of that with a platform that you guys are calling Baking for a Better Tomorrow, right?
Correct, yeah.
And so this is going to be sort of front and center when we all go back to Germany, right around the corner in May for Interpack in Dusseldorf. Can you talk about what RBS is going to be demonstrating and displaying at that show?
Yeah, we're very excited for Interpack. It's going to be our biggest show of the year. So we'll have all of our electric baking technology on display and ready to talk about. In addition to that, we're going to be talking about other ways to save costs and simplify operations in a bakery. So we're going to have continuous mixing on full display and how that can improve operations, both reducing labor and improving consistency across your products in their bake. Additionally, we're going to introduce some innovations that we've had in low pressure extrusion technology. So we've been a leader in the market in low pressure extrusion for years, but we've done a lot of research to develop new products in the pretzel market. and find new ways to add capacity and capabilities to our low pressure extruder. We've developed a new braid head for the low pressure extruder that extrudes 18 ropes of those braids, so increases capacity of a low pressure extrusion line by up to 30%. And then additionally, we've developed a new product that we're calling the Dynabite, which is a play on sort of like a broken pretzel, but they're all consistently sized pieces that we slice. So you're exposing the interior of the pretzel, which really does all the absorbing of those seasonings that are making everything so popular these days.
Right.
But you're getting a very consistently sized piece. So we'll have samples of that. We'll have that whole process on display, and yeah, we're excited about it.
So Nico, for bakers who might not be going to Dusseldorf, what is the best way for them to get in touch and maybe come to RBS's Science and Innovation Center to see this technology firsthand?
Yeah, so we welcome anyone up to Reading to come see our Science and Innovation Center. Just visit us at readingbakery.com. People can reach out to myself as well, and we can schedule just tours for them to see the oven, or we can schedule full trials for them to actually run product through the oven.
That's awesome. Hey, Nico, thanks so much for joining me today and talking to me about this important topic of sustainability and the great strides that Reading Bakery Systems is making to make a difference in the industry for the future.
Yeah, thanks for having me again, Joni. And yeah, just to reiterate, I mean, the decisions we're making now have long-term impacts. So people making decisions about ovens, like you said, they last decades. So these decisions really impact future ability to meet sustainability goals. And we look forward to seeing you in Germany as well.
Awesome.
Yeah.